Create an engaging YouTube banner. A visually appealing YouTube channel is an important part of attracting subscribers on the platform. If viewers click into your channel and like what they see, they're more likely to stick around. Your YouTube banner plays a crucial role in how your channel is perceived. If you've got attractive channel art, it sets the tone for the rest of your channel's appearance. Choosing the right YouTube cover. Every channel will have different requirements for their YouTube banner. Some channels might focus on the content and use regularly updated covers to showcase when their next video will be released. Other channels may highlight the YouTuber who makes the videos in an attempt to promote their personal brand. Whichever type of YouTube banner you want to create, we've curated a list of templates that can be personalized to create an engaging design. Health food channel art. Brighten up your health and fitness YouTube channel with this tasty-looking food design. If you specialize in creating meal plans and delicious recipes for your viewers, this could be the banner for you. Fashion and beauty designs. Give your fashion and beauty YouTube channel an elegant look with a cover that shows what your videos are about. If you do hair or makeup tutorials, this kind of design is perfect. Travel themes. Share your love for travel and exploration with this extreme travel YouTube banner. This design could really complement videos that show you traveling to unique or obscure destinations. Music videos. No matter what type of music channel you have, this design could be a great fit. It could be a striking centerpiece for a channel about music lessons, new releases, covers, etc. Edit in Design Wizard. Good covers are key. It's important to hit the right note when coming up with YouTube banner ideas. This piano design is well suited to lots of different music channels. Be on your game with this template. You can create a great image to go with your sports channel. You can regularly update it with new text to inform your fans of what's coming next. Edit in Design Wizard. Show your personality. Let your subscribers in on your personal life a little bit and share some information about yourself. A template like this could be used for a channel that specializes in relationship tips. Add some glitz and glamour. Stand out from the crowd with a bright, sparkling design that catches the eye. This particular creation would look great for a music channel. Take your viewers on an adventure. If you like to showcase interesting locations on your channel, this template could be a good addition. You could swap out the background image to add your own destination. Broaden your horizons. Images of the Earth from space are uniquely captivating. It's amazing to see what our planet looks like from up above. You could use an image like this for all kinds of channels, including business, science and travel. Edit in Design Wizard. Face the crowd. Sometimes it can be a good idea to simply use your own face on your banner, especially if it's for a beauty channel. This template can be personalized to display your own image in minutes.